To have the life you want, you need to start the practice of disappointing people. Teach yourself that adults are capable of being upset and that your role isn't to fix everyone else's issues. Anxiety and depression are signals that you're neglecting yourself. It's not possible to be happy or fulfilled if you're making choices just to avoid upsetting or offending others. It's not your role to keep everyone happy. It's okay if people feel let down or disappointed. This is part of life and not a sign that you've done anything wrong. Sometimes the most loving thing we can do for someone is to let them fix or work through their own issues. We can remind them they're capable and step back to let them find their own way.